Are you buying a home and thinking about home inspection? Let me share with you from my experience as a realtor and a homeowner. Whether it's a charming old home or a brand new build, getting a home inspection is crucial. Here's why. Licensed home inspectors are trained to spot potential issues that you might not even think about. They check everything from the foundation to the roof, plumbing to electrical insulation, heating, cooling, and more. Inspectors fill the tub to check water pressure and drainage, and turn on the oven to see if it holds the set temperature. They test every single receptacle to make sure everything's grounded and up to code. Now you might wonder, what if my house isn't up to current codes? That's a valid concern. Unless the home was recently renovated, it probably won't meet today's standards. But that doesn't mean it's unsafe, unless we're talking about critical safety updates like electrical wiring. Did you know that some older homes still have paper or fabric-wrapped wiring? That's a potential fire hazard right there. So, if you fall in love with a charming old home, make sure to check the wiring and wood rot. Plumbing is another biggie. It's not just about water usage, it's about those old clay sewer pipes in the front yard that tree roots love to invade. Some homes don't even have a clean-out. Intrigued yet? Foundation issues exist even in some brand new homes. Finding potential issues helps you set expectations, aid in negotiations with the sellers, and even decide if it is too much of a project to call home. I know a lot about homes and potential issues, but I always listen to what inspectors recommend. Inspections can reveal these hidden problems, saving you from costly repairs. Sure, they cost a few $100s, but that peace of mind? Priceless. Even new construction homes can have issues, from plumbing to heating and missing insulation. So whether you're buying an old gem or a new build, always get that inspection. Do subscribe and share to learn more about avoiding costly mistakes and knowing what to expect. Thanks for watching.